The first thing that we need in order to be using and utilizing our internal power to maximum is attention. It's very important, attention. Unfortunately, nowadays to have attention, especially focused and undivided attention, is very difficult because there are too many distractions. Too many, even sometimes too many good things. You can do many good things. I'm not talking about bad things, even good things. You go to internet, there are lots of good things also to enjoy. To remain focused, to remain attentive is not easy. But on the other hand, the value of our action, the value of our performance very much depends on attention. If I do something without attention, it doesn't have that much value. Then intention. First attention, then intention. In this time of the night, do you have attention or intention? You have both, inshallah. So, you are ambitious. Intention is also very important. Sometimes you have attention, but you don't have the best of intentions. There is no enlightened, educated, sincere intention. And your intention has made